I hope you're having a good day. I think I made a video to demonstrate the Hikari compressor. I believe that is the longest video that I have made. So that's an 18-minute video that might bore you to death. But what I failed to demonstrate during that video or on that video is that I didn't highlight the volume control ability of the Hikari. Okay, so one ability of the compressor, or any compressor for that matter, is that it will control the dynamics. So what I mean dynamics is the naturally loud sounds, like in the bass, the pops. Okay, so the pops tend to be the loud ones that will make you hesitate to turn up the volume. So here in this demonstration, I will do a no volume change challenge. So I will play two popular bass lines, and then I will play them in the passive mode. Then I will turn on the Hikari. Then I will turn on the active electronics without changing the volume. Okay, so warning, when I already turn on the preamp, make sure that you will turn the volume down a little. It might hurt your ears. Okay, but I will put a warning on the demo. So hopefully this helps, and may you have a good day ahead.